Are you looking to add something a little dramatic to your yard? Take a look at this.
So this is Amaranthus. This really makes a stunning display for your gardens. So that long trailing flower is Amaranthus. You might hear it called Amaranthus, just a shortened version of it. But this trailing beauty, this is actually the flower.
You'll see it a lot in wedding bouquets or in arrangements, especially in the fall, because it does take a little while for it to get started.
Yeah, for us in the greenhouses, this is one of the last plants that we sell because it's just kind of a foliage up until that point where it starts flowering. So once it gets going and it gets established, then it really takes off with its growth. And you can see this is one plant. It's massive. So that's something to consider because they get several feet tall, several feet wide, and then they go up and then trail almost like a willow tree like this does.
So if you plant anything down below it, it may get choked out. And one of the other things is this is full of seeds.
Yes.
And that's a good thing if you are a little finch and you want to feed on it.
So if you want to draw in those little birds, which I love, they'll feed on the little bit of seed, and there's seed falling from it right now, all these little seeds. The finches will feed on that. They absolutely love it. But as that seed falls into your grass, guess what? It's pretty prolific, and you will start seeing Amaranthus growing all over. So it's just something to consider, that if you don't want this growing all over, it's prolific.
It's not a perennial, but it will reseed. It will reseed itself.
Yeah, absolutely.
And it does like the full sun.
About 6+ hours of sun a day. You can feed once a week with the Beat Your Neighbor fertilizer. That keeps everything growing and looking good. It's pretty heat tolerant. We went through that hot stretch and triple-digit heat, had no problem. When it does dry down, those leaves will start to droop. You'll know that right away that it needs a drink of water. So they do drink. They'll drink their water, but they are pretty good in that heat.
So beautiful addition to the garden if you want something to add that little bit of trailing dramatic look to it.
Yeah, so again, consider the Amaranthus. All right, thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye-bye.